The common envelope. We've seen them all our lives, but these days they seem to be popping up everywhere. In fact, you've probably seen them right here in the hallways of our own church. Our high schoolers are raising money for our car wash-a-thon.
Whoa!
This helps fund all of the high school camps, especially Hume Lake. The car wash-a-thon is free. Free wash, free food, that's it. So find a kid that has an envelope and help them go to Hume Lake. If you want to help kids find Christ and grow, find an envelope and come to the car wash.